doesn't crave that feeling of being truly alive? But what does it mean to feel alive? Being alive isn't just about visiting new places. It's about experiencing the world in its purest, untouched form. It's about feeling the earth beneath your feet, breathing in the fresh air, and listening to the whispers of the wind. It's about reconnecting with nature, the source of our very existence. Deep within the forest, we find a sense of peace and serenity. It's a reminder of a simpler time, a time when we were more attuned to the rhythms of nature. In nature, we rediscover not just our place in the world, but the place we were always meant to be. A place where we truly belong, where we can rekindle the connection with nature that we lost along the way. Climbing a mountain is more than just a physical achievement. It's a spiritual journey. It is the feeling of accomplishment and humility in the face of nature's grandeur that makes us feel alive. The ocean, with its boundless horizon and ever-changing tides, has a way of washing away our worries. It's a place of reflection, rejuvenation, and reconnecting with our inner selves. Witnessing wildlife in their natural habitat is a humbling experience. It reminds us of the delicate balance of nature and our responsibility to protect it. At the end of the day, it's all about putting yourself out there. Be vulnerable to the natural world. And that is how to feel alive.